Hey guys, this is Kaupo Gaming back at NBA Live Mobile. Today they finally released this throwback Kevin Durant in the defensive lineup. So that's pretty cool, guys. Um, First, let's open some presents right here. I don't have that elite one yet. So, what's in here? Hmm. It's a storyline present. Wow, that's I don't know. Do you think it's cool, guys? So in here we got five, and we got elite, elite collectibles. So I'm gonna open all of these so I can open some premium packs. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna open all of these presents first, guys, before I do the Blizzard pack opening. I'm gonna open all of them at the same time. Oh, not at the same time. Just kidding. I cannot do that. So it's a pretty cool gift. So you can have some free gold players and silver players, or maybe an elite if you're lucky. So last two here, and I'm gonna open some the other one after this. So last one. So here I'm gonna open all 13. So I'm gonna pause it first. So guys, I'm back and I bought 8 Pro packs. I got 6 premium pack and 2 starter packs. So I'll open first the starter pack. So hope I can pull an elite in all of these packs. That would be cool, man. Cool, guys. And I have a new tactic, guys. It is the cowpaw tactic. If you don't know what is a cowpaw tactic, a cowpaw tactic is when you shout moo, then you open the pack. And we'll do that in the Blizzard pack. It's kind of funny, guys, but it's bringing me good luck. So 5 pro packs left. Got Kristaps Porzingis. Another that guy. I don't know how to pronounce his name. It's very hard. Tyreek Evans, and last one, got Michael Conley. So on with these premium packs. I have 6 of them. Got Gordon Hayward. What nice pull, nice pull. And we got a Clay Thompson. So first elite, guys. First elite. Sorry guys. I don't know who's this. It's been calling me. Who is that? I don't know who is him. So second premium pack and back to back elite, guys. This premium pack is very lit. Pretty cool. So if you guys don't have that gift, go buy one. It's bringing good luck, guys. Bringing good luck. And gonna do the cowboy tactic in 3, 2, 1. Moo! And we get Andrew Wiggins. So on with this Blizzard pack, it guarantees I think 3 winter players and other kind of players. Got Ish Smith, Miles Turner, Terrence Jones, and Otto Porter Jr. So for the last one, I am going to the move tactic, cowpoke tactic again. So, moo, bam. And we got Brandon Ingram. So, we got two elite guys. The rival teams, the reigning Cleveland Cavaliers and the Golden State Warriors and the monster Klay Thompson. So, hope you like the video guys and spread the cowpot tactic. So, good luck guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.